Getting deadly? They got some crazy people in the world, boy. But you know where they got a lot of crime at? They just don't talk about it in Gretna. If you research it. It's just everywhere though. I don't know. It's crazy. Yeah, the letter is on top of the TV stand, close to the kitchen side. I think that's where I put it at. If not, I think I'll find it. But I think that's where I put it at. Alright, bye.